I feel more relaxed, I feel empowered, I feel more myself, my old self as I remember me when I was in my 20s. I think I will be more positive in my outlook and in what I do, and I won't let my negative thoughts send me back into a little cocoon where I curl up and do nothing, because it's too hard to do everything. So it's easy to do nothing.
I got loads of things out of it. I think I came here because I needed to relax and rejuvenate, and I definitely feel I've done that, and I feel much more balanced and much more centred. But I think I've come away with a whole load of different techniques that I can use. I think definitely yes, because especially I think if you're a woman, you don't look after yourself, and prioritising yourself, your own self-care, I think is probably the most important thing you can do, because as you say, if not you, who?
I feel relaxed and much less stressed, but more importantly I've learnt some techniques that I can do daily to keep it like this. I also have the guided meditations to listen to, and they're the best thing ever. I love them. The last thing that's been a big thing to me over the last 4 days is that I've got more energy than I did at the beginning. So if you're thinking about doing the course, then definitely book it and go do it, because it really helps and it's fun, and you meet like-minded people, and Janet's brilliant, so definitely do it.
Well, I didn't know what to expect when I first came, but I've got lots out of it. I'm very much more relaxed. I've got some coping strategies. I've learned tapping, which I hadn't heard of, and I've been doing lots of relaxation. I would say definitely do it, because you'll learn something new. Definitely.
Stress is a natural phenomenon. We need it so that we can safely cross a busy road. The problem is when we are overwhelmed with what's going on, our brain literally does not shut down the stress response. And yet there are many ways and techniques that you can do this. On the Stress Less retreat, you will learn exactly how. You can calm your mind. You can use your body to change your neurology. You will learn so many practical take-home techniques that you can use right away. You really will have the power to calm and sedate your mind and feel more in control and relaxed.